I wrap up all the orders, I'm basically done with sticker work for the rest of the year. Except for all is not calm with this one. Big things are happening in 2022. I'm making my family Christmas gifts this year. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas pop in the day because I don't remember. I am busy working on all the orders that came in over the weekend, which I'm really excited about. So I'm doing that. I also uploaded Vlogmas Day 14, but this is my to-do list. I need to finish editing Vlogmas Day 15, upload it, do the thumbnail. I need to do laundry, dishes, and finish all the orders. So that is what I'm working on today. And while orders cut, I've been editing, but I've also been looking at stuff I'm making my family Christmas gifts this year. Or at least I think that I might be doing that. I had another plan and I don't think that I'm going to go through with that plan. It's still up in the air, but I have kind of a backup plan that I'm looking at, and so I'm pretty excited about it. But anyway, so I'm working on orders. I'm doing that. I'm doing all kinds of stuff today, but my main focus and my main goal today is to get all the orders done, because once I wrap up all the orders, I'm basically done with sticker work for the rest of the year. Like, obviously, if orders come in between now and when I close my shop, then I will do those, but I'm not designing anything. I'm like basically just wrapping up sticker work for the year. And I'm also planning on a special project that I'm going to be announcing the beginning of next year. So like in a month, less than a month, I will be announcing it. I'm really, really excited about this. So I'm so pumped. So let me know in the comments below what your guesses are, but I'm going to be working on that and figuring out what I need to get my ducks in a row for all of that fun stuff. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm not going to share it yet because I'm not quite ready to announce it yet, but big things are happening in 2022. But there will be an exciting announcement coming in January. I wish I could share it with you guys now, but I can't. So anyway, I'm working on that as well, trying to get that ready, and then I leave on vacation, and I'm so excited. I am so excited to go on vacation. I'm ready for a break. I love taking a vacation at the end of the year because I just feel like it's a great way to kind of reset for the next year, and I'm so excited. So anyway, that's all I really need to say in this opening clip. I do need to charge my battery because I noticed that it's running low, so I need to do that. I just have so much to do today, but my main focus is orders. I want to get all of those done out the door to their new homes, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I need to get Vlogmas Day 15 edited because it goes up tomorrow, and I'm like behind on editing. I mean, I'm really not, because I have Day 15 and Day 16 to edit, and then this No, yesterday was day 17. Okay, so today's day 18. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I really have 15, 16, and then yesterday's was 17, so I've just got to, I'm a little behind, but we're going to get caught up. We're going to get it all done, and yeah. Plus, if I get all the sticker work done, then tomorrow I can spend getting caught up on videos, so it's all going to work out. Anyway, that is what the deal is. That's what's going on today. I'm going to charge the battery for a little bit, and then I'll still have plenty of cutting stickers to show you guys when it's charging, when it's done charging, so we're going to go from there. But that is what is happening today. You guys, all the orders are done. I'm so excited that they're all done, packaged up, ready to go. I'm going to take them to the post office tonight. And now I can work on Vlogmas Day 15 because I still have to do that.
Advent night, calendar night, all is calm, all is bright. Run your doggy for her treat.
That was beautiful. Except for all is not calm with this one. Hey. Calm down. All right. Let's do it. Day number 14.
Green.
It's green. Be the candy cane. Be the candy cane. Be the candy cane.
Peach.
Okay, I like peach too, but candy cane. 14.
Stormio.
Today with the office, I'm gonna go with...
I'm still going Kevin.
Oh yeah, he's not on here. I was trying to think of who's not on here. Okay, I'm gonna go with Kevin also, because I don't think it's Kelly or Ryan yet. So I'm gonna go with Kevin.
Goldface.
Goldface. Okay, so like that must mean that they don't have all the characters in here because
that's a Dundee and Goldface, which we definitely didn't count for 2 extras. 1 extra we could have still made our count, but 2 extras really messed it up. So,
but surely they'll have like
Kevin's definitely gonna be in there.
So let's think about this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10.
We definitely
more.
got Kelly, Ryan,
Kevin,
and
Kelly, Ryan,
Kevin.
Erin, Creed
for sure, yeah. And then the other 5 are wild cards at this point because everyone else that we counted may or may not be on there. Like David Wallace, maybe. Jan, maybe. I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't
Karen.
a Jan, though. Karen, I wouldn't be surprised if there wasn't a Karen either.
Gabe. I hope there's not a Gabe.
But see, all those people were in it the same, like, so like they're all wild cards. It could be like another.
Yeah, Holly. I feel like
Holly I
over
could
there.
see. I would see Holly over Jan. But Goldface, though, that's funny.
That's funny. We were not expecting that. All right, guys. So I think that's gonna wrap up I almost said wrap up Vlogmas.
Yep, that's the end of Vlogmas.
I don't think I asked a question of the day. So
Again?
James, yeah, I know, I'm bad. James, what's your question of the day for everyone? Yeah, she did. Okay, what's your question of the day for everyone?
Who do you think is going to be the Funko Pop for tomorrow?
Ooh.
I still think it's going to be Kevin.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Drop in the comments who's going to be in the advent calendar tomorrow. Let us know. That's it for today's Vlogmas. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow with a new one. Bye, guys.
See you on the flippity flop.
On the flippity flop.
The flippity flop.
All right, bye, guys.